this could be like for t-shirts with size and color, or it could be like for yard signs. We have the option of adding stakes and stuff like that. There's I guess you could call it like a plugin that we downloaded, and it's called Advanced Product Options. So if you go to price right now, we just have like the one quantity price, but t-shirts are even more involved because we still give people a quantity price break even if they have like only 5 of one size, 5 of another, 10 of another. So it has to add all those together and then decide based off all these sizes, this is how many they actually are ordering, and then that is the quantity amount that we base their discount or whatever that they get for those items. So over in this left hand tab, there's a custom options tab, and you'll click that. And then you can set up like a template. So for a lot of the signs, I set up a template, and I'll show you how to do that, that you can just like choose that and it'll be used for all those products that are attached to that. So if you change it in the templates part, it will change it for all the other products. So that's what you'll want to do too if they ever change like sign, stake pricing, stuff like that. Otherwise, you can set it up inside of the product, but then you have to go into that product to change it. Now, if it was just like a normal size option, like you can either get it in large, medium, that kind of stuff, you would just do it normally and you wouldn't choose like all these other things. But for apparel, since it has to add all those together to give you your in quantity, they set up like these special things. So this is a DYO product, but they have a special thing set up for apparel and for DYO color because it has to count how many colors is in there, and it does all this other stuff. So to show it like it does for apparel, where it has like the text boxes that you can type in the number that you want to get and it'll add it up, you have to choose field group. Pretty much if you have to set up any other apparel, I would just copy one that's already in there. But you can't just copy the product and this all carry over. You'd have to copy the product and then open the other product or write all this stuff down so you know what to put into it.
Okay.
So this has all the sizes, the price, if it adds on, because like our 2XLs, 3XLs, and that stuff are like $2 more. So that's where that goes. And then if it adds weight to the item, then you put it in there. And then the SKU is pretty much just whatever the title is. It just is for like, if we ever move to a system where it did the inventory and stuff, that would be helpful. And then the sort order, you just can number 0 to whatever, and that will show the order that it would show on the website. For pricing, and you'll see a lot of this, we usually do like one color, two color, full color. And then we also, for like signs, we'll do one color, one-sided, one color, two-sided, two color, one-sided, two color, two-sided, full color, one-sided, full color, two-sided. So you'd have 6 different price schedules for each, or well, 6 different price schedules for that one product. So like a one color shirt, these are the quantity price breaks, these are the prices. And when you do this, when you put all the pricing breaks in here, you always have to make sure this enable absolute price is checked, because otherwise whatever you have in this price tab here, it's just going to add that amount to that base price if you don't have this checked. Apparel is probably going to be the most like involved one because you can choose the different colors and the different sizes and all that other stuff.